We are creating 1 millionaire every week because of our solid online system. We are helping a lot of people na mga gustong magnegosyo pero hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula. Gusto magkaroon ng online business pero hindi nila alam ang gagawin. And we are also helping a lot of OFWs na sila mismo gusto magkanegosyo na sila yung may control sa negosyo nila. That's why they are choosing this business. Well, actually, marami na rin kaming napauwing OFW na nandito sa Pilipinas ngayon enjoying their time and financial freedom. And we are partnered with Empowered Consumerism. For the past 16 years, our company Empowered Consumerism has been helping a lot of people change their lives from the Philippines going worldwide. And Empowered Consumerism has created the most number of millionaires. Bakit dyan nakakabahay agad, nagkakakotse, kumikita ng milyon in just a few months? Why? It's because of this concept. I want you to understand, and sure ako na sobrang maa-appreciate mo. Pag-usapan natin ang negosyo, magkano ang 12 ounce na Coke? It's 15 pesos. Alam mo ba kung magkano lang siya sa factory? Ang Coke ay 2 lang. Bakit pagdating sa'yo, 15 pesos na? It's because kumita si wholesaler, kumita si area agent, kumita si middleman, kumita si retailer bago napunta sa'yo. And also, ang laki ng ginagastos ng traditional business when it comes to advertisement. For example, tumaktak lang siya ng Magic Sarap at binayaran siya doon ng 10 million pesos. Ibig sabihin, ganun kalaki ang pera sa advertisements. Ang products natin, sobrang laki ng sales. We are selling 15 million per day. Pero, hindi mo ito makikita sa advertisement. Hindi tayo gumagamit ng artista. Hindi mo ito makikita sa billboard. Hindi mo ito makikita sa radyo. Hindi mo makikita sa magazine. Dahil imbis na artista ang bayaran, ikaw na lang at yung buong grupo mo. In short, para kang artista kung bayaran dito. So once you get in, we will provide you trainings on how will you maximize your social media kung paano mo to gagawin yung negosyo. So usually, alam nyo ba na sobrang dami naghahaw sa amin? Ang dami naghahaw. And a lot of people wants to do this business. Ngayon, sa lahat na naghahaw na yon, once they join, you will earn. That's why a lot of people are considering this business full-time. They're leaving their jobs, they are closing their businesses, at ito na yung ginagawa talaga nila kasi ang laki nga naman ang kitaan. Hindi ikaw ang lalapit sa tao, tao ang lalapit sa'yo. Now, paano ba sumali? You just need to purchase your account. Ang liit ng puhunan natin, and then you can start earning your leverage asset. Anong kapalit nito? Magkakaroon ka ng products worth your money or even more. Magkakaroon ka rin ng 25% to 50% lifetime discount sa mga products natin. This business is good, lalo na sa mga nagtatrabaho. Kasi kung ikaw ay nag-work at hindi online yung business mo, mahihirapan ka magnegosyo. And yes, I know that some of you have tried business. At pag hindi online, medyo masakit sa ulo. And dito, magkakaroon ka ng DTC or Data Tracking Center in which mamomonitor mo yung business mo online. It's 24/7. And this business fits you. Kasi online, lalo na sa mga OFWs. You will have your own username and password. Everything will be there. Your inventory, mga sumali sa'yo, accounting, encashments, lahat nandun na. All online. So, kumbaga, para kang merong online secretary. Now, we have another benefit na ito yung pinakagusto ko. You will have free trainings wherein yung mga taong nasa top na mga dati rin katulad mo na naghaw lang din, na naging millionaire, sila mismo magta-train sa'yo at mag-guide sa'yo para ikaw naman yung next na millionaire. Another benefit is magkakaroon ka ng free travel incentives. You will have this voucher in which pwede mong gamitin para matravel mo yung mga loved ones mo. Another benefit is you will have your ATM. We are tied up with BDO and China Trust. What's good here is yung commission mo makukuha mo araw-araw. We are the only company that is daily payout. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo mag-withdraw ngayon, alam mo ba na makukuha mo siya agad in 5 minutes? Because our company is very liquid. Tayo lang po ang nag-iisang company na may 8-story building dito sa Cebu. At tayo lang yung may ganyan sa buong Pilipinas. Our company is very stable, kaya dito ako sumali. That's why a lot of people get their first million in 2 months' time. Yung iba in 3 months' time. Yung iba in 6 months' time. At excited kami para sa'yo dahil baka ikaw na yung next. It's your chance to do something in your life right now. There is more earnings that you can get from the Unilevel, Stair Steps, and UPP. Ito yung mga rebates mo sa products na mga ginagamit natin. For example, bumibili ka ng chichirya sa wholesale na 5 pesos at ibebenta mo to ng 7 pesos. So it means, kung ikaw yung tindahan, meron kang dos. Ang tanong ang dos, malaki or maliit? Dos ay maliit, pero pag pinagsama-sama mo, malaki rin yan. Diba right now, we are targeting other countries. We are targeting other nationalities. Our company is a Filipino-owned company. So it means, mula sa Pilipinas, papunta ng ibang bansa. We still have 200 countries to conquer. And who knows, sa mga bansa na yon, dun ka mag-expand ng market mo. That's why this is very good for OFWs. Kasi nandyan ka sa ibang bansa, who knows, na isa sa mga bansang yon, ikaw ang mag-grow. And alam mo ba, napakaswerte mo kung ikaw ay nakapanood ng video na to. Kasi ang una naming sinesharean nitong wonderful opportunity na to ay mga Pinoy. Sila muna yung tinetrain namin, sila muna yung pinapagaling namin. Because in the next coming years, we will be conquering the international arena. Kasama ka namin para mag-expand sa iba't ibang bansa at iba't ibang lahat. We have this technology na tao yung lumalapit sa atin. Talagang, kumbaga, pinuputakti kami ng sobrang daming how. At kami na lang yung, kumbaga, kulang tayo na we are underman para, nako, mag-answer sa dami ng how na mga taong gustong magbago yung buhay. That's why we are growing rapidly a solid online system. At pag nakita nila tong business na to, they join agad. And this is the best leverage business asset at kami mismo very grateful dahil sobrang dami naming natutulungang tao. And that is the reason bakit tayo lumalaki, bakit tayo maraming natutulungan. It's because of the vibes na meron tayo. That's what I love. Napakasarap mapunta sa isang community na hihilain ka pataas na ang gusto sa'yo ay maging successful ka sa buhay. Yung positive na environment at yung mga kasama mo, itutulak ka pataas. And it's something that's priceless na magkakaroon ka sa buhay mo. And I welcome you, not just in this community, but in this family. That I know, belong ka dito. Deserve mo magkaroon ng magandang buhay, and you deserve more than what you're earning right now. Believe in yourself. We believe in you. Lahat ng bagay na pag-aaralan.